been well. Now children, it's time to learn English. Today you have to learn about alphabetical order. That is your unit 6. Let's see children. You know, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. In our English alphabet family, we have 26 letters. What are they children? Shall we read? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and what is the final letter children? It is Z. Okay, this is our capital letters. You see, these are our capital letters. Our capital letters are big children. They are not small. Okay, so children, where do we use these capital letters children? Normally, where do we use these capital letters? Okay children, when we are writing a sentence, normally the first letter is capital. Okay children, when we are writing a sentence, the first letter should be capitals. Okay, and when we are writing proper nouns, the first letters are also capital. Okay, next children, simple letters. Children, these simple letters are known as lowercase letters children. Okay, these are small letters. You see, our simple letters are not big, they are small. Next, earlier we divided our alphabet into two, that is capitals and simple. Now I am going to teach you about another way, that is vowels and consonants. Normally we know we have 26 letters in our alphabet. So we can divide this alphabet into two, vowels and consonants. What children? Vowels and consonants. Children, we have 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels. What are they children? A, E, I, O, U. Again, A, E, I, O, U. Next, move to the consonants. Consonants, we have 21. We have 21 consonant letters. Let's see. B, C, D, E. E is not there, no? So, why that? E is already in the vowels. E is a vowel. That's why we didn't take E is there. E, we don't take E. Remember, E is a vowel letter. F, G, H, no I because no is a vowel. J, K, L, M, N, O, O is a vowel. P, Q, R, S, T, U is not there. That means U is a vowel letter. V, W, X, Y, Z. Those are consonant letters children. Okay. Now do you have an idea about vowels and consonants children? How many vowels do we have? Yes, obviously we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Okay, let's see vowels. There are 5 special letters in the English alphabet. They are called special letters. Okay, what are those special letters? A, E, I, O and U. Those are vowel letters. Next, now consonants. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet children. We have 21 consonants. They are B, C, D, E. E is not there because E is a vowel. F, G, H. I is not there because I is a vowel. J, K, L, M, N. O is missing here. Why that? Because O is a vowel. P, Q, R, S, T. U is not there because U is a vowel. V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the 21 consonant letters in our alphabet. Next, here I have given some pictures for you all. First, can you repeat after me? Cat, hen, owl, kid. Again children, cat, hen, owl, kid. First picture, cat. C-A-T, cat. You know how to write cat? C-A-T, cat. So children, what is the vowel letter here? Can you guess? What is the vowel letter here? Yes, obviously it is A. A is a vowel letter. Next, this one, hen. What is the vowel letter here? It is E. This owl. What is the vowel letter? Yes, the first letter, it is O. This one, kid, the vowel letter is I. Okay children. Now A, E, O, I. Those four letters are called vowels. And what about the other letters? They are consonants. C, T, H, N, W, L, K, D. Those are called consonant letters children. Okay. Now it's time to learn about alphabetical order. That is our lesson, isn't it children? Okay. When words are arranged in the order of letters in alphabet, that means A to Z, then the words are said to be in alphabetical order. Again, see children, when words are arranged in the order of letters in alphabet, that means A to Z, then the words are said to be in alphabetical order. For example children, see, here I have taken some examples. Can you read them with me? Apple, balloon, cake, doll, flower, giraffe. Again children, apple, balloon, cake, doll, flower, giraffe. Okay children, here this is our alphabet children. Do you know? A, B, C, D. That means this is our alphabet. So, what is the first letter of our alphabet children? It is obviously A. A is the first letter. So, what is the first letter? What is the first letter of this apple children? What is the first letter? It is A. Isn't it? The first letter of apple is A. So, here A is there. No? What is, tell me another example for begin a word with A. X. X is a word begins with A. Next one, B. Our second letter is B. So, balloon begins with also B. So, normally after A, we take B. Next, what is the third letter children? It is C. What is the third letter? Children, it is C. Okay children, this is the third letter. So what is the first letter of our third word? It is also C. So it is correct now children. Is it wrong? It is correct because it is in the correct order. C is there. D. Here D is there. Doll is a word which begins with D letter. Okay. Next, E. Do we have any word begins with E children? No, it's okay. Just forget it and move to the other letter. It is F. Here, F is there. Flower begins with F. So, after D, we can use F also. Okay, after D, we can use F also there. Okay, children. Next, G. After F, we have a G letter. Okay children, so giraffe begins with G letter. So children, from this example, I think it is clear for you all that these all words are in the order of alphabet. Isn't it children? Here, apple begins with B. Apple begins with A. That is the first letter of our alphabet. Balloon begins with B. That is the second letter in our alphabet. Cake begins with C. It is the third letter in our alphabet. Doll begins with D, that is the fourth letter in our alphabet. But here I didn't use any word begins with E. It's okay, children. There we can move to the F letter also. Here flower begins with F. Next G, giraffe. Okay, children. Okay, here children, I have used some examples. First one, apple. This is a picture of an apple, isn't it? This is apple is a fruit. This is a picture of an apple. Next, ball, cat, dog, elephant. Children, what is the first letter of this apple? Obviously, it is A. So, children, what is the first letter in our alphabet? That is also A. Isn't it, children? It is also A. Next, ball. What is the first letter of ball? It is B. So, what is the second letter in our alphabet? It is B. Next, cat. What is the first letter? It is C. So, the third letter in our alphabet is also C. Next, dog begins with D. There, our fourth letter is D. Elephant begins with E. The fifth letter is E. Okay, children. Here, children, I have used some rules there. First rule. If the words begin with the different letters, then arrange the words such that the first letters of the words are in the order of the alphabet. Again, look at the definition here, children. If the words begin with the different letters, then arrange the words such that the first letters of the words are in the order of the alphabet. Okay, for that, children, I have given you a question there. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. First, read the words here, children. Hen, cat, fruit, sheep. Again, hen, cat, fruit, sheep. Okay, children. Let's see the first letters of these words, please. H. Hen begins with H. Cat begins with C. Fruit begins with F. Sheep begins with S, children. So, normally in our alphabet we have letters A to Z. No, we have letters A to Z. So, what is the first letter? A. So, can you find any word begins with A here, children? Can? No, there is no any word begins with A letter, isn't it? Then B. The second letter is B. So, can you find any word begins with B here? Can you, children? No, there is no any word begins with B. Next, C. So, children, can you find any word begins with C letter here? Can you? Yes. This cat begins with A. Sorry, cat begins with C. It is C, no, children. It is C, not A. Cat begins with C. So, this cat word comes first. Remember, this word comes first. Why? Because of this C. Okay. Next, which word comes next? See, what is the letter comes after C? It is D. So, do you find any word begins with D here, children? No. Next, E. There's no any word here. Next, F. Here, fruit. This fruit begins with F. So, this word comes second. Okay. This word comes second. Next. Now we have only hen and sheep. From these two words, which word comes first, children? Can you guess? Is it hen or sheep? Obviously it is hen. Okay, because of this H letter, this hen comes third. Okay, this hen comes third. And the other word is sheep. It comes fourth. Okay, children? Now get the idea about. Okay, now let's. Okay, children, this is our second rule. Words begin with the same letters should be arranged such that their second letters are in the order of the alphabet. If the letters are also same, then arrange the third letters and so on. Okay children, first see these words: dress, dog, decorate, daffodil. What children? Dress, dog, decorate, daffodil. So here from in these 4 words, can you see any similarity here? Can you see any similarity here children? Yes, obviously, because the first letters are same. In each word, the first letters are same. What is the same letter here? It is D. So, in such situations, we have to move to the second letter. In such situations, we have to move to the second letter. In this first one, dress, what is the second letter children? It is R, isn't it? In the first word, the second letter is R. And dog, what is the second letter? You see, it is O. And decorate, what is the second letter? E. Daffodil, what is the second letter? It is A. Okay children? Here, these are the second letters here. Okay, so from these words, which second letter comes first? Here, A, E, O and R. A, E, O, R. So, which letter comes first children? Is it R? Is it O? Is it E? Is it A? Yes, this A comes first. So, which letter comes second? R, O, E. Yes, E. This comes second. Next, R, O. O. Next, R. So, which word comes first children? Daffodil comes first. Next, decorate, dog and dress. From this rule, I need you to tell if the first letters are same, just move to the second letter. If the second letters are also same, move to the third letter. So, if the third letters are also same, move to the fourth letters. Okay children? Did you get the idea now? Okay. Now, our final one. Where do we use alphabetical order? Where do we use alphabetical order? First one, dictionary. What is the dictionary children? Have you ever searched any word from the dictionary? Normally dictionary is a thick book. It has 1,000 and 1,000 words, isn't it? So, when somebody asks you to find a particular word, there if you have a knowledge of this alphabetical order, it's easy for you to find a word. Okay children? When somebody asks you to tell a particular word, there if you have that knowledge about alphabetical order, it's very easy to find. Okay, next, telephone book. Do you have telephone books at your homes? Certainly you might have. So, telephone book is a book contains with contact numbers, addresses and names of people. So, for example, you just think someone phone you and ask your mother's mobile number, but you don't know it, you forget it. So, there what will you do? So, there you have to search out this telephone book and get the number. Okay children, so if you have this knowledge about alphabetical order, it's easy to find a word in a dictionary, it's easy to find a contact number in a telephone book. Okay children, this is the end of my lesson. I think you all got the idea about this alphabetical order, and thank you all and may God bless.